Hello guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add borders to your video in DaVinci Resolve 18. So to do this, it's pretty simple. So here's the video that I want to add the border to. So we'll go to effects right here. So you go to your generators, solid color, drag that right here. So let's drag it right here. So we'll go with our solid color. So now we're in solid color. We just go to inspector right here. And then you'll change your color to whatever type of border that you want. So let's just see blue right here. So there you go, blue, and press OK. From there, all you want to do is drag the clip that you want on the top. So all you have to do now is go with zoom, as you can see right here, and now just zoom out until you'll have a pretty cute border. And there you go. It's so simple, and just play the clip, and as you can see, it has already a border. And there you go. So if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.